Hi folks, Marcus here, and I'm at CountryWoodSmoke HQ 2.0, new gaff for UK BBQ School. So very exciting, next stages, all seems to be happening here at the moment. So let's turn, there we go. That is two of the log cabins that are going to be here. I've got two log cabins, one's going to be a studio and the other for the BBQ School. Just seen this here. One of the ducks over there's laid an egg, but it doesn't look like it's lasted, so sorry guys, but one of your eggs hasn't made it. So it's pretty cool though. I think they lay a few round here. There's another one there, maybe Foxy's had him. Oh, another one over there. Something's been in here having the duck eggs. Oh well. So yeah, this is the slab. Nice smooth slab. The piggies are there, little miniature pigs. There we go. Beautiful day here down in Devon. You can see down there the guys are building the trench for the drainage and the electricity. So that's all happening soon. So there we have it. Hope you all had a great Easter. I can't wait to welcome you to BBQ School here and do some cooking with you guys. So hope you're all well. Take care. Cheers. Bye.